Alright folks, today we're going to be learning about a scroll saw. A scroll saw is a power tool that can cut intricate patterns. It can do that because it has a very thin blade. This particular blade is a spiral blade, and so you can cut in any direction. You can create intricate patterns like the one you see here, cutting curves and even in the inside of pieces of wood. When choosing your piece of wood, I would choose either an 1/8 inch piece of wood or a 1/2 inch piece of wood, something thinner than thicker because this blade is so thin. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut something out with the scroll saw. I printed off a letter A for Mr. A. I'm going to glue it onto this piece of wood, and I'll show you guys up close what it looks like to cut a piece out using the scroll saw. Alright folks, I hope you found that tutorial to be helpful. Choose your first piece to cut out, but make sure that it is a little thicker. If it gets to be too thin and intricate, it's really hard to cut. So I would pick like a thick letter or even a symbol that you can kind of have your straight lines that you go around, and it's something that won't break as you're cutting through it, and it's not going to be too delicate. Be safe and good luck.